Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit number 6. Exercise based questions and answers. Question number 1. How much confidence did Quaid-e-Azam have in his nation? Heading है Quaid's confidence in nation. Quaid-e-Azam had a great confidence in his nation and thought that if the people become united, they can get their lost dignity. Question number 2. What was the Quaid's concept of our nation? Quaid's concept of nation heading है the Quaid's concept of our nation was that we are one nation and have our own distinctive outlook of life, culture, civilization, language, laws, moral values, and customs. Question number 3. What was the ideology of Pakistan in view of Quaid-e-Azam? Ideology of Pakistan. The ideology of Pakistan in view of Quaid-e-Azam was based on the fundamental principle that they were an independent nation and could not be merged with any other nation. What can be the possible solution to our present problems? Solution to our present problems heading है the possible solution to our present problem is that we should be united by leaving aside our personal, local, lingual, ethnic, sectarian or provincial identities or prejudices. Thus what? How can we become a strong nation? A strong nation heading है we can become a strong nation by acting upon the golden rules and principles given to us by our Qaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Important grammar adverbs. Mutalki fail. A word modifies the meaning of a verb. An adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. Adverbs usually become in the following position in a sentence. वो लफ्ज़ जो किसी फ़ेल इसमें सिफ़त या दूसरे मुतल्लक़ फ़ेल के मानी में इजाफ़ा करता है एडवर्ब कहलाता है. मुतल्लक़ फ़ेल अमूमन जुमले में ज़्यादा जगहों पर आता है. शी वॉज सिंगिंग ब्यूटीफुली एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. एट अ कंसर्ट एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. लास्ट संडे एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. इन्फिनिटिव्स. यू आर फ्री टू गो टू योर मॉस्क मुसादर है इन्फिनिटिव्स. He made people work. Very important sentence है. चली हरूफ यानी बोल्ड हरूफ में दिए गए अल्फाज का कोई फ़ाइल नहीं है. हम कह सकते हैं कि जाना मस्दर है. बाज़ औक़ात टू इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जैसे कि मिसाल नंबर 1 में यू आर फ्री टू गो. बाज़ औक़ात टू के बगैर लिखा जाए जैसा कि मिसाल बी में he made people work. The words given in bold have no subject. We say that to go is the infinitive of the verb. Sometimes to is used as an example A. Sometimes infinitive without to is used as an example B. Gerunds. Asmai feli. A gerund is that form of the verb which ends in ing and has the function of a noun. Painting is a good fun. Paint से. I like painting. My favorite hobby is painting. In these sentences, painting does the work of a noun forming subject, object and complement. इन जुमलों में painting फ़ाइल, मफ़ूल और complement के तौर पर इसम का काम करता है. Conditional type number 3. Unfulfilled condition. खुली हालत. Conditional of this type say that something did not happen because a certain condition was not fulfilled. इस किस्म का शर्तिया जुमला बताता है कि कोई काम वकूफ़ पज़ीर नहीं हुआ क्योंकि एक ख़ास शर्त पूरी नहीं हुई। एग्जाम्पल, had we paid heed to his warnings and advice, we would not have got entangled into petty pursuits that have brought forth only disunity and disharmony among our ranks. Fill in the blanks. Find the kinds of adverbs in the lesson. Adverb of manner. कौन कौन से हैं? bravely, clearly, truly, swiftly. Adverb of place. back, in the street. Adverb of time. early, today. Adverb of frequency. entirely. Adverb of degree. extremely, only. Write 5 sentences using adverbs of manner, place and time in correct sequence. He fought bravely today. पहले for bravely manner है, today time है. She is learning English quickly there. Quickly जो है वो manner है, their place है. They worked hard yesterday. hard manner है, time जो है yesterday time है, adverb of time है. She agreed happily to stay here forever. happily manner है, here place है, forever time है. He peeped awkwardly out of the windows. awkwardly manner है, out of the window place है. Make sentences using the following verbs followed by the infinitives. Saw, promised, wanted, began, asked, told, decided. Saw. He saw you climb on the wall. उसने तुम्हें दीवार पर चढ़ते देखा. I saw her cross the road. मैंने उसे सड़क पार करते हुए देखा. Promised. He promised to pay my debt. उसने मेरा कर्जा करने का वादा किया. Wanted. I wanted to send him an email. मैं उसे ईमेल भेजना चाहता था. Began. He began to cry with pain. उसने दर्द से रोना शुरू कर दिया. Asked. He asked me to leave the room. उसने मुझे कमरे से जाने के लिए कहा. Told. She told me to lend her my car. उसने मुझे अपनी कार मुश्तार देने का कहा. Decided. He decided to go abroad. उसने बैरून मुल्क जाने का फैसला किया. Verb of perception यानी इदराक के फ़ाल. ऑब्जर्व है, नोटिस है, स्मेल है, फील है, लिसन है, हेयर है, वॉच है. ये सब वर्ब्स ऑफ परसेप्शन है के बगैर टू के बगैर इन्फिनेटिव इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ऐसे जुमलों में इन्फिनेटिव्स मुकम्मल किए काम को ज़ाहिर करते हैं. जुमला नंबर 1 मुलाहजा करें. He saw you climb on the wall. हाँ जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. यही आपके सेंटेंस है, यही आपने जो है वो याद करना है. ये आपकी डायरी है कल की.